Here we have stock number 2158. This is a 96 Chevy Silverado. Now this vehicle just came in. We are selling every single part off of this beautiful truck. The beautiful bed. Exterior looking amazing. Here's the interior of the vehicle. Clean seats. Let's check out the passenger side. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. This is a 5.7 liter. We will be selling this engine complete. If you need any parts for this 96 Chevy Silverado, please give us a call at 559-264-3673. If you want to see more of what our inventory looks like, please subscribe or follow us on 559 Parts on Instagram. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.